Hello friends, my name is Vaishali Mukund Davne, सौ ताराबाई शंकरलाल मुत्ता, कन्या प्रशाला, चिंचवड, पुणे 33. In this session, we learn about 10th standard maths first linear equation in two variables determinant method or Cramer's rule. Determinant method as well as known as Cramer's rule. Determinant. We learned about previous standard determinant. A, B, C, D is a determinant. A, B are first row and C, D are second row. AC is the first column and BD is the second column. Degree of this determinant is 2 because there are 2 elements in each column and each row. Determinant represent a number which is AD minus BC. AD minus BC is the value of given determinant. Determinants usually are represented with capital letters as A, B, C, D, etc. Example, find the value of the following determinant. 5, 3, 7, 9. Solution. A is equal to 5, 3, 7, 9. 5 into 9 minus 3 into 7. Multiplication of 5 into 9, 45. 3 into 7, 21. 45 minus 21, 24. Another example. B is equal to minus 8 minus 3, first row. 2, 4, second row. B is equal to minus 8 into 4 minus in bracket minus 3 into 2 minus 8 into 4 minus 32 minus in bracket minus 3 into 2 minus 6 minus 32 minus minus plus 6 minus 32 plus 6 is equal to minus 26 is the value of determinant B. Let's learn about determinant method means Cramer's rule. Using determinants, simultaneous equation can be solved easily and less space. This method is known as determinant method. This method was first given by a Swiss mathematician Gabriel Cramer. So it is also known as Cramer's method. To use Cramer's method, the equations are written as a1x plus b1y equal to c1, first equation, and a2x plus b2y equal to c2, second equation. Here x and y are variables a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are real numbers. a1, b2 minus a2, b1 not equal to 0. About two equations are solving. The value of x and y are written using determinants as 5. D is equal to, in the value of D is equal to a1, b1, a2, b2. In column c1, c2 are omitted. Value of dx is equal to c1, c2, b1, b2. dx, the column of coefficient of x a1, a2 is replaced by c1, c2. And in the dy, the column of coefficient y b1 b2 is replaced c1 c2 and using the value of x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Let's remember Cramer's method to solve simultaneously equation. First, we write given equation in the form of ax plus by equal to c. Second point, find the values of determinants d, dx and dy. And third point, using x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d and calculate the values of x and y. So, this Cramer's rule application. Next example we learn about. Practice set 1.3. Solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. First equation is given that x minus 4y is equal to 10. Another second equation is 4x plus 3y equal to 5. First, we find the values of a1, b1, c1. a1 shows 3, b1 minus 4 and c1 is 10. a2 is 4, b2 is 3 and c2 5. First, we find the value of determinant d is equal to a1, a2, b1, b2, omitted c1, c2 column. D is equal to a1 is 3, b1 is minus 4, a2 is 4, b2 is 3. Put the values and find the value of d. D is equal to 3 into 3 minus in bracket minus 4 into 4. 3 into 3 9 minus 4 into 4 minus 16 minus plus 9 plus 16 25. Value of d is 25. Also we find the value of dx. In this formula we eliminate or we omitted column a1, a2 and replace by c1, c2. So dx is equal to c1, c2, b1, b2. c1 is 10, c2 is 5, b1 is minus 4, b2 is 3. Put the values in a equation, in determinant. dx is equal to 10 into 3 minus in bracket minus 4 into 5. 10 into 3 30 minus 4 into 5 minus 20 minus into minus plus. So 30 plus 20 50. dx is equal to 50. As well as to find the value of dy. In this determinant we replace b1 b2. We omitted b1 b2 and replace c1 c2. Therefore dy is equal to a1 a2 c1 c2. We put the values of a1 a2 c1 c2. Therefore dy is equal to 3 4 10 5. 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4. 3 into 5 15 minus as it is 10 into 4 40. 15 minus 40 25 and sign is negative. dy is equal to minus 25. But we find the value of x and y. X and y is the solution of our given equation. Therefore x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. X is equal to dx is 50 and d is 25. 50 upon 25, 2. The value of x is equal to 2. And y is equal to dy upon d. Y is equal to value of dy is minus 25 and value of d is 25. Minus 25 upon 25 minus 1. The y is equal to minus 1. 2 and minus 1 is the solution of our given equation by Cramer's method. Thank you very much.